Where the sun sets gold and the curtains hang down. My mom and dad had a kitchen that sighed, the steam of the greens and the chicken that's
Okay, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I ain't fried no catfish in a minute, you guys. So this is what I'm having for dinner on my cooking channel. Yes. I'm talking about the fresh one where you get it at the market, not the grocery store. You know? But yeah, I'm also having catfish and fry. That's the main ingredient. Okay. So, take. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this and I'm gonna season it. You know, let it sit for about 30 minutes. You know, that's the secret ingredient. Yes, indeed. With blessings and laughter to light up the way. Thank you for sharing the story I've told. Okay, you guys, so that's how my catfish look. Spices of gold from Deirdre's kitchen to wherever you are. You're shining just like. Now I'm going to go ahead and season my catfish. Stir the pot and the aroma starts to rise. I hope you see the magic through your family's eyes. It's more than just soul food or a meal on a plate. It's the kind. Okay, you guys, so this is the season that I missed to season my catfish. To the ones who supported and bought every page. You helped me step out on a beautiful stage. From the bottom of my heart, I am sending my best. May your pantry be full and your spirit be blessed. Keep snapping the photos and passing the word. Let the taste of all my season, you know, in a bowl. This is the season that I use. Keep the fire burning with the love deep inside. It's a recipe for living a good life today. With blessings and laughter to light up the way. Okay. Thank you for sharing the story I've told in flavors of silver. And you guys see my cookbook, I got different seasons. When I fry my catfish, I got the recipe in my cookbook. If you ever wanna, you know, some of you guys who haven't bought my cookbook, I do have my catfish, you know, in my cookbook. Memorize the feeling of a house filled with peace, where the food never ends and the prayers never cease. God bless you all for the walk and the wait. There's plenty of room at the Southern Soul Gate. Keep cooking with heart and keep sharing the light from my home to yours. Sleep well tonight from my home to yours. It's all made with love. You see how I do that? Season. I know most people, they do like the egg batter. They dip it in the corn mix, then they dip it into the egg mix, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't know. Maybe because they do that, maybe because they turn out golden brown, I don't know. But I do it like this and it always turn out perfect. Okay, got all the season with it for my fish. From the red dirt road, where the sun sets gold and the curtains hang. Okay, so I get my grease real hot. One fish. second fish. I think I can get the other one down there.
Every hungry soul is brave enough to cook. Now I'm seeing your taste all covered in
And that's the
grace.
third one.
I see the same smile
And I think when you cook fish,
started
you can
with
cook it like 4 or 5 minutes on each side. It all depends. But you can tell when fish is done if you know how to cook fish. Okay, guys, do flip it. Yeah, I need to flip that again. But this is how my fish is, so I'll show you guys when I make my plate. Alright, guys, my fish is ready. Like this video, for this video, thumbs up, share to show with your friends and family, show me what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep the notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day. Also, until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Now, well, I'll show you my plate, you guys. You know, this video. Okay, you guys, so I made my plate. And this is my dinner. And this is the catfish with the French fry. And I got some hot sauce to put on my, I like hot sauce on my fish, and some ketchup for my French fry. And this is what I'm drinking on. Okay. So yeah, this gonna be, I just want to come back to show you guys my plate. But anyway, again, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. If you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. With that, I appreciate you guys. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next upload video. And if you want to see, you know, the next upload video that I post, just keep your notification bell on, and you will get notification that when I post the next video. Okay? Well, I ain't had no catfish in a while, but this is what I do, you guys. I just pour some hot sauce. It's kind of thick. Just one side right now. Really, not that much anyway. I'm gonna spread it, and I will give you guys the first bite. Show you how. Yeah, babe. Yeah. Who's brave enough to cook? Soft like it is. Now I'm seeing your tables all covered in grace. guys have that bite. I don't mind. Right? Look at golden.
Now it's traveling the world
All right.
on the wings of a dove. From my home to yours, with a heart full of pride. Keep the fire burning with the love deep inside. It's a recipe.
You want the French fries? A dip to ketchup. There you go.
With blessings and laughter to light
All
up
right.
the way.
Let me get out of here, you guys. Because you know fish would get cold so fast.
In flavors of
Yes, indeed. And I'll see you guys in the next upload video.
gold from Deirdre.
But if you want to see how I cook my fish, just keep watching this video. Wait a minute. No. I'll take that back because this is the end of my video. My bad. All right, bye-bye.
I hope you see the magic through your family's eyes. It's more than just